I have high expectations for this window squeegee cleaner. I just got it because I have some windows that I cannot access. While a lot of my windows are fold-out windows that I can figure out how to clean both sides, I have some really old windows in this house that you cannot open and I cannot get to. So I'm going to use this and see how well it works. In this video, I will be putting this together and putting it to the test on my windows. So let's get to it. Opening it up. Every piece is very lightweight aluminum. That'll make it very easy for me to hold it up high to get to the windows, and it feels extremely sturdy. Now to put it together, it's as easy as just sticking these together. Here is the base, and then I can decide where I want the handle. I think right here is fine, and you can see there's this little push piece right here that will slide in right there, and I just push that down, snap it into place. That's also how you take it apart. Very easy to take apart, so this will be easy to store when it's not in use. Keep going because I need all the length I can get. There's the next one. Final one. So here is the top piece. The handle just went right into the top. Now this is great because this all comes off. It's just Velcro attached and it's a little bit flexible. It has some give, and you have 2 microfiber towels to add to it. So you have all the control you need right there. Now I'm going to stick it onto the whole thing. It just slides right on, and it has a bigger button. So now we are good to go. I am going to clean my windows with a 1-to-1 water and white vinegar solution, specifically because there's no way for me to wipe them down. So I don't want to do anything that I can't just leave on the window. Let's try it out. Now to get to these windows from the outside, I actually require a ladder, but I can reach around the side of my house to get the first one. So let me scrub that for you. So it's really easy just to soak this and to reach over and scrub a window. These are old and very unique windows, so they're hard to get to. But I can get them with the squeegee, which definitely works. So on a regular window, I could just use it as a handle or the whole thing. Super clean. Just need a quick cloth on the corners. Fast way to clean windows. And when I'm done, I just take this off and throw it in my wash, and it's ready for next time. Now, I wish it was tall enough to reach my windows without needing a ladder, but on the whole, it definitely works, and I'll be using a ladder next to get to all those windows.